Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you 5 different Disney songs that you can play with just one really easy to learn strum pattern. Now if you'd like to get a more detailed breakdown of this strum pattern, you can get my 3-step guide for free by clicking at the top right corner of this video in the information card. In the 3-step guide I teach you this strum pattern as well as a couple of others, and you'll also get the 18 chords that I use for all of my beginner song tutorials, which now I have over 100 different song tutorials that use just the 18 chords and the 3 strum patterns that I teach you in the 3-step guide. So it's a great place to get started if you're a beginner. Okay, so enough chat. Let's go ahead and get started with the song.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of the rolling world can't be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. Can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't fear, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. Now I'm here blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see, standing here, it's oh so clear, I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light, and it's light. is all this time. True as it can be, barely even friends. Then somebody bends unexpectedly. Just a little change, small to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast. I've been standing at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I take, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. No one knows how far it goes. If the winds in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go.
All right, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And remember, if you'd like to get that free 3-step guide, you can click right here to get that. All right, I hope to see you in another lesson. Take care.